BirchStreet Systems Reporting and Analytics Solution, providing you a single lens to view all of your spending. Access cutting-edge business intelligence to power your organization with hundreds of standard reports. Track the progress of key performance indicators. Set department spend goals and look for ways to continuously improve against spending. Understand your organization's spend in any way. By the buyer, the approver, supplier, account segment, and more. The BirchStreet Systems solution features scheduled reports, ensures you automatically receive the analysis you need. Customized reports, provides easy configuration of report fields by end users. Always up to date are reports which leverage BirchStreet's cloud-based procure-to-pay platform for real-time data. Our customers' most popular reports are: for the buyer, a monthly item department usage report; for the approver, a budget roll-up report; for the receiver, provides a detailed receiving report; and for finance, details reconciliation, inventory closing variance, and detailed cost by outlet. Discover how BirchStreet Systems Reporting and Analytics Solution can save you valuable money and time. To request a demonstration, visit BirchStreetSystems.com.